Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 21st till 27th of September. Okay, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Librans in the coming week, that is from 21st till 27th of September. Please, guides, angels and spirits, please guide me to guide my Librans. All right. Let's see now. So what's in your environment right now? 7 of Cups. Confusions. Things happening the way you want, but still confusion. Okay? So because there are a lot of things and you are not able to decide. You need someone over here to guide you, to help you. Which cup to select? You are in this kind of confusion. What are the conflicts right now? 6 of Pentacles. So that situation where you are towards something because you are the conflict over here which I'm getting, that you are not able to give back the same feelings, might be feelings or might be the same thing. It's more about feelings over here. You are not able to give the same feelings to someone who is actually giving you, or you are not able to receive the same feelings which you are giving. So this can be vice versa. It is your situation, so it's up to you who you are. So but the answer which is coming to me is, the problem is the give and take problem. When we try to give our 100% but we are not getting the same thing, it can be you over here, that you are not able to give to the person because you are confused. You are, when you are trying another options, when you are exploring your options. So this might be a thing over here. Someone over here is exploring more options, and that is why you are neglecting the feelings of someone who already is trying to give you. Libras, what is happening? The foundation of the reading, 10 of Cups. And that is why you are not able to see this thing. You are not able to see that ultimate happiness, that happy ever after life, because you are trying to find this kind of happiness in someone else, and you don't even know that the thing which you are actually not accepting, the thing which you are rejecting, is the one who is the 10 of Cups. You are not accepting that 10 of Cups. No. What's the past situation? 3 of Pentacles. There was a moment, you were happy with someone over here. You spent time. It was really good. Some kind of collaboration, partnership, spending time together, trying to get to know each other, that energy. But it was half energy for you. It was like, no, I need more. I want more. This might be someone else as well, but since I'm doing your reading, so that is why the environment around you, this is how you are right now. Okay, but it can be someone else, like another person might be exploring the options, and you are offering the 10 of Cups thing. You are offering the happy ever after life to that person, but that person is not accepting. No, because he or she is trying to explore other people, other situations. That is what is happening over here. What's in your mind? 6 of Swords. So this is you over here. Your goals, your purpose, your aim is to go towards calmer waters, to go towards something which will give you peace, which will, they, you want harmony. Yeah, you are the one who wants harmony, you want peace. You don't want to get into all these kind of stuff where, everywhere there is confusion. No, you are not like that. From your mind, you actually want to be clear. You want that, I want the clarity, I want the answer. Whatever the answer is, I will accept it. Your future energies, 7 of Wands. Okay, so I'm seeing that at least you are taking some kind of step over here with the 7 of Cups in your present. Like a lot of confusion with the 7 of Wands, when the confusion is disappearing and you are already, see, out of the 7 wands, 1 wand is here. That means you have already, you have chosen that person and you are ready to fight for that person as well. So this is really beautiful, Libra, very beautiful. Okay, so how you see yourself as the Lovers. So this is a Gemini energy. You see yourself as the one who is trying to give 100% in this situation. You are giving 100%. But what about the other party? What about the other environment around you? 2 of Swords. So you are giving your 100%, but see, the Lovers, there is two people, and with the 2 of Swords as well, there are two. So the confusion, I really get it, that it is not from your side, it is more from the other party, other end. You are not confused, you are trying to give your 100%, you are into this relationship, you are into this commitment, but the confusion is from the other end, the environment around you. It's like, somebody is trying to manipulate you, somebody is trying to tell you, like, I cannot do this thing, I cannot enter in this relationship, I cannot, there are a lot of negative words which you are actually hearing from other people. So that is what is happening. The lessons which you need to learn, 4 of Cups. So rejection. So I'm getting that, sometimes we actually got rejected by someone. So what you need to learn from this card, that rejections happen in your life. So try to understand, try to accept the rejections, try to accept that feeling of being rejected, not rejected, but I would say that try to accept everything around you. Not every person in your life is meant to come in your life and do not leave your life because you don't want them to leave. No, it will not happen. People will come, people will go, things are temporary, people are temporary, and relationships are temporary. So things will come and they will go. What you need to do, you have to understand, you have to accept that thing. You have to accept that life is temporary. You are also not eternal in this world. You will also go sometime. Everyone will die, but at least, you have to accept some things, that this is the law of nature, this is the law of life. The final outcome, 9 of Cups. See, the day you will accept the reality, this day you will accept that things are not meant to be with you for lifetime, you will be content. You don't need anything after that. You will be like, I am spiritually enlightened. I know I have no expectations. I have nothing to lose, to gain. So you will be content. You will be happy. You don't need anything else after that. Okay, very beautiful energies over here, Librans. I just want to clarify the 7 of Wands in your future energies. Why the 7 of Wands is here for my Librans? The Hierophant. Okay, so for those who are in the process of getting married to someone, who are in that process where you are not able to decide, so I guess you have decided someone in your life and the marriage is coming up in your life. More than this, I'm also getting somebody actually accepting the beliefs of yourself, whatever belief you are actually getting. See, around you, I'm really getting, see how beautiful this card is, how this person is smiling, he's laughing, he is happy with his beliefs, he is happy with whatever he has. He does not, he is not thinking about his future, he is more happy in the present. So this is what you are actually accepting. The day you will accept this thing, that just be in present, the present is now, the day you will, that day you will be happy, you won't be needing anything else, you won't be needing anyone. A very beautiful energy over here, Librans. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.